Welcome, JAFRA family, to this amazing training featuring JAFRA Skin, a fun and simple skincare line that is smile worthy. This line offers simplicity and is packed with double the benefits. It's your daily dose of happy skin. Let me introduce myself. My name is Elizabeth Villegas, and I'm your JAFRA Beauty Pro. And as we always say here at JAFRA, the business is better with friends. So joining me today in this training, I have Monica Barrera, my friend and also JAFRA Beauty Pro. Hi, Moni.
Hi, Elizabeth, and hi, JAFRA Beauties followers, anybody that is watching this training. We're here today to talk about what is JAFRA Skin. So it's an adaptable skincare, perfect add-ons for all skin types and must-have ingredients and dual function formula. So like Elizabeth said, everything is better when you do it in pairs. So this collection describes that. With JAFRA Skin Collection, it can help you glow every day by mix and matching these versatile products to get glow you deserve. So no matter what life throws your way, this skincare collection is great for all types, fabulous textures and formats made with trending ingredients, two benefits in every product. So let's get to know more of this trending collection. Are you ready, Ellie?
I'm ready, Moni. Thank you for that great introduction. I know our JAFRA family is also really excited. And as Moni was saying, this skincare line, it's really simple, it's really fun, and caring for your skin can be as simple as taking a selfie. What do you think about that? I think it's amazing. With JAFRA Skin, our mission is to bring simplicity and smiles to your daily routine. Discover skincare that's fun, fast, and effective, featuring trending ingredients, vibrant packaging, and double the benefits in every product, as Moni just said. So definitely a fun and simple skincare line.
Thank you, Ellie. Let's get to know the collection by starting with our facial cleansing balm. Why I love about this product is that it cleans your face and also helps remove makeup with this two-in-one cleansing balm that melts away dirt, sunscreen, and makeup without drying your skin. It gently exfoliates and pampers your skin to reveal soft, glowing look, and it's ideal as a first step in a double cleansing routine. Who doesn't do that? Ever since I discovered that double cleansing, I love it, and this product is my first step at that routine. So this product is going to target impurities, dullness, and dryness. And let's get to know more of the key ingredients of this product. It has sunflower and avocado oils that help remove makeup without drying your skin. It also has one of my favorite ones, which is the papaya extra, which it gently exfoliates your skin as you're using this product.
Great, Moni. Now we're also following up with step two, the gel to eyes facial hydrator. This one you can use it in your night or also in your morning routine. And this is a hydrating gel with prickly pear cactus extract, niacinamide, and hyaluronic acid derivative that can be used at room temperature or can be stored in the refrigerator for a refreshing and soothing effect for tired or puffy skin. Definitely, this is a great product, right, Moni, for summer so we can refresh ourselves. And some of the key ingredients of this amazing product is hyaluronic acid. That derivative provides hydration and helps retain moisture in the skin. Also, glycerin that moisturizes the skin to keep it hydrated. So definitely, if you want freshness and hydration, our gel to eyes facial hydrator got you.
Thank you, Ellie. And another tip that we can give you about this product, you can either use it as a mask or you can use it as a moisturizer. That's why this collection, it's a product that it has two different, ways to use them. So definitely thank you so much, Ellie, for sharing the benefits, the ingredients. So moving on to another product of this collection is our JAFRA Skin Glow Face Cream. It has SPF 15. So what is this one going to do? Is going to give you that natural looking glow with these two-in-one moisturizer that brightens the look of your skin, but also helps protect with SPS. It is infused with a suitable hint of tint, and it helps to even out the appearance of your skin for a radiant look. It's going to target sun protection and dryness, suitable for all skin types, and I highly recommend this product for our teens. They don't need a lot of products in their skin because they're not targeting the age, they're not targeting maybe sunspots. They're barely taking care of their skin. So this one will definitely moisturize their skin and also help protect from the sun. So the key ingredient that I like about this one is the niacinamide, which is a hydrating ingredient known for its brightening effect.
Thank you, Moni. And now we want to ask you the following. Do your lips need some extra love? Because we got you with JAFRA Skin, right, Moni?
That's right, and I'm excited about this one.
Yay! This one is our JAFRA Skin Shea Butter Lip Balm, and it's designed to soften and pamper your lips. And who doesn't love that? For a smile that looks as good as it feels. This creamy formula glides on smoothly, providing an infusion of rich nourishment. The key ingredients for this shea butter lip balm is vitamin E and, of course, shea butter, two great ingredients that create the perfect combination.
Thank you, Ellie. And now I want to do a call out to all our workout fans, walk stars, and anyone who wants to chill without the skin drama. So with JAFRA Skin, we got you covered. And what this product is, it will help you discover the skincare superhero you never knew you needed. So JAFRA Skin Anti-Chafe Sticks works two ways. It helps to minimize the friction of your skin and soothe the discomfort that can come from contagious rubbing. Plus, it softens and conditions skin with botanical ingredients, including aloe vera, fruit extracts, and grapeseed oil. It is your shortcut to feel comfy no matter what you're up to. So simply swipe on and go. So to use this product, the JAFRA Skin Anti-Chafe Stick, you can reapply it as you need it. Anywhere where your skin does that fraction, it's the perfect spot for you to apply this product.
I love this, Moni. And now we're going to share with you some routine proposals. First, JAFRA Skin was created to be used as a complement to any JAFRA routine. So this is really important. If you already have a JAFRA routine, you can incorporate JAFRA Skin products into that routine. Also, JAFRA Skin is for those who don't want to repeat a daily complex routine. JAFRA Skin gives you the flexibility to use one or several products. So that's why this line, it's really simple, it's really fun, but also really effective, right, Moni, with its double benefits.
That's right, Ellie. So if you already have your favorite JAFRA cleanser, try the double cleansing with the JAFRA Skin Balm. You're going to love how your skin feels after combining that one with your favorite cleanser or any product that we have here in the JAFRA Skin. So thank you everyone who watched this product training that we bring to you today about our JAFRA Skin collection. And thank you, Ellie.
Thank you, Moni, and thank you all of you. And we hope this training is really helpful and that you discover the fun behind skincare.